Hindi ko matandaan na ganito ko... Hindi ko na matandaan kung ganito... Hindi ko na matandaan na ganito siya... Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel, and today, yes, we are doing another lipstick review. Pro Longwear Lipstick in the shade Cherish. Binigay lang sa akin to. I'm not really sure how much is this right now, but I'm pretty sure it's less than 200 pesos. I remember using this way back, as in few years ago. Hindi pa ganito yung packaging niya. And I remember really liking it. Hinahanap namin siya ng bonggang-bongga, hindi namin siya makita. Kaya pala hindi namin siya mahanap-hanap is because nag-iba yung packaging nila. This is what it looks like. I just want to say I'm really impressed with the packaging. Yung packaging niya, yes, it is plastic and all that ish, but it doesn't feel flimsy at all. Like, nalalak talaga siyang ganon. And meron din siyang ganap dito sa baba. It's basically showing you the actual shade of the lipstick, which is good. And then sa bottom is the shade name and all that ish. So far, so good. I have this lipstick on for I think maybe 5 minutes now. Still feels great. So without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Okay, ilalagay ko na siya. Again, wala akong lip balm, guys, but I apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. Oh my gosh, really creamy, you guys. Really creamy. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like on the lips. Yung shade niya is parang may pagka-rosy, mauvey na pagka-shade. Perfect for everyday. It feels like butter when I applied it on, as in sobrang creamy niya talaga. As you guys can see, yung finish niya glossy, and if you're not into that, I'm not sure if you will like it. But I'm pretty sure you can get away with it by blotting it with tissue paper. I'm not gonna do that right now, so I'm just gonna let it sit like this on my lips. So far, so good. I'm really liking how it feels on the lips right now. Not drying at all. It is now 11:05 ng umaga. It is now 1:35 ng hapon. Kumain na ako ng lunch, tapos yung ulam ko pa, guys, dinuguan, tapos uminom na din ako, and bonggang-bongga, the lipstick is still here. Nag-fade na yung inner corner niya, pero hindi obvious yung pagka-fade niya at all. Yung glossiness niya, nandun pa rin. Yung color payoff niya, it's not as great compared to kanina, pero nandun pa rin siya, you guys, which is really surprising. Na-notice ko rin na parang nag-tint na siya, especially sa inner corner. So, bongga yun, kasi I like lipsticks na nagtitint. I'm really liking it so far. Hindi siya drying sa lips ko at all. And spread ko din siya ng bonggang-bongga. Like, when I do that, nasa-spread naman na maayos yung color payoff ng lipstick, which is great. I honestly do not feel the need to retouch right now kasi nandun pa rin naman talaga siya. Bonggang-bongga pa rin siya tingnan. Para sa akin, long-lasting. Like, nakasurvive siya ng dinuguan na ulam, ha? So, for me, that's long-lasting. It is now 8:24 ng gabi. Katapos ko lang mag-dinner. And maraming beses ako nag-snack today. I think mga 3 beses. Alam mo yun, yung mga maliliit na chichirya lang, ganon. Ang daming beses ko nang uminom. And yung lips ko, you guys, parang feeling ko nawala na yung lipstick eh. Kasi nawala na yung glossy finish niya. Pero bonggang-bonggang nag-tint siya sa lips ko. And as I mentioned in my previous lipstick reviews, bet na bet ko yung lipstick na nagtitint. So I actually really like it. Still not drying on the lips. Yung downside lang na nakita ko is medyo nagsasettle siya sa lip lines ng sobrang konti lang. Hindi ko na matandaan na ganito kagaling yung performance niya sa lips. Again, I remember really liking the shade before, but I really don't remember how it performed. Not sure if they changed the formula of the lipstick. If they did, then great job. And totoo talaga, Pro Longwear talaga siya. So bonggang-bongga, I highly recommend. And that's basically it for my review. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like the video if it was helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I do my best to upload videos every single day. And I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!